Hi friends, this video shows how to enter into safe mode or how to turn on safe mode. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go down, go to system, go down, set restart option. Here we need to press and hold OK button on the remote or select button on the remote. Let me press and hold. So now here you can see a reboot to safe mode. Select it. Now it's restarting, please wait. Okay, done. See, after a restart, here bottom left corner you can see safe mode label. So that means right now this device in safe mode. Okay, so this way we can enter into safe mode. Okay, so you can try this. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.